Hello friends, Happy New Year and welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Today I'm going to take you along as I clean up the house from Christmas. Okay, I'm about to get my apron on, but today I'm going to take you along as I clean up the house from Christmas. There are messes everywhere to be found in my house right now because it's Christmas break. It's the week where you don't know what's happening with your life. What's the date? What's the day of the week? What is going on? Why am I still in the same clothes? Have I just eaten a pound of C's chocolate? Yep, that's what's going on. But yesterday I started taking down Christmas. Look at all of this. Let's watch our step. So, and I piled a lot here into the living room. A lot going on. Oh my goodness. So, I still have 2 Christmas trees up, the living room tree and the tree up in the hallway. And Derek took down the big one, the big guy that was here, the 12-foot tree. So that one is boxed away last night. So last night I started putting away the Christmas village. So this morning, my goal is to finish. I just want to put Christmas away and be ready to go for the next phase. Today is New Year's Eve, so I've got plans for the night with the family. We're gonna go to a dinner and a movie. So I want to get this done before we celebrate and ring in the new year. So fun, fun, fun. All right, aprons on, let's go. All right, first things first, in order to walk through this haul, I need to finish putting away the Christmas village. A lot going on here, wires, decorations. So let's get all this boxed up. Now during this process, I do have a trash bag and a donate bag. Now as I open up the bins to put things away, there's gonna be things in here that I did not use this Christmas, and I need to think real hard of what I'm gonna do with this stuff. Yes, I didn't use it in the house, but I do not know how to decorate this new home. So I'm gonna give a lot of thought to these things and either throw away, donate, or keep. These were the wreaths that I used on my kitchen cabinets in the old house. I didn't do that this year because I didn't want to clutter the kitchen, but these are really good wreaths. I'm gonna keep these for another year, and if I don't do anything with them next year, I'll donate them. An idea already popped in my head for those wreaths. They could go on the outside windows. We'll see. If I don't do that next year, we'll donate them. This could be donated. I've had this napkin holder for years, Santa and some pine trees, and I did not use it this year. I think I'm gonna donate it. I'm going to donate these star berry wreaths. I'm gonna donate these.
Not gonna waste our time. We're not gonna stress, not gonna make a mess. Oh, no, I don't wanna be less than I can be. I wanna fall so.
These pine cones I got in a bag. And I got them at the DI for like nothing. And they smell so good. But I didn't use them last year, and I didn't use them this year. So, back to the DI they go. This is gonna go to the DI because I use battery operated candles. I don't use real candles anymore. So, and I did get this at the DI years ago. So I'm gonna donate this back. I'm gonna donate this cute little box. We used it one year to letters from Santa, but someone else can enjoy this. I probably got this at the Dollar Tree, I'm not sure. All right, I got an empty bucket, yay. All right, this bucket is for all the nativities. They go in these boxes in here. So, all right, I didn't use this one this year. It lights up. I'm gonna donate this.
I'm still tired when I wake up, like my dream's still near. Snooze bottom, my best friend now. Get me away from here. I got plans, I got things to do. Gotta do my hours, do my hours. Why is everything so damn hard? Gray skies and rain clouds. I postpone everything, worrying about stupid things. When is it my turn to start living? 'Cause I remember growing up, we rode our bikes all over town, spending all our cash on candy bars. And no one ever told us that tomorrow it might not be gone. Sunny days replaced with weekend jobs. I don't wanna turn back time, I just wanna feel that I'm living life with clarity.
My donate bag is huge. I need to go find a box in the garage because I am getting rid of stuff. It feels so good. So right now I'm going through all the Christmas ornaments, donating some and organizing them. I didn't do that this year, and it did not help me with decorating the trees. So next year, decorating the trees will be easier and more organized, and I'll just be glad to do it next year. I got the cashmere Christmas tree that I just undecorated to my dad. He's putting it in the box. Derek just got home, so he is going to do this tree that the kids' ornaments were on. But first, I am putting away all the Christmas stockings. But I made great progress with how much stuff is leaving, like being donated. It's awesome.
Find my clarity. 'Cause I remember growing up, we rode our bikes all over town, spending all our cash on candy bars. And no one ever told us that tomorrow it might not be gone.
Dad's helping me pack away the lantern that was on the porch. Now I'm putting away the it was a skirt, but it went around, like it looked like it was like a box that it was in. Anywho, I'm tired. So I'm putting this away. I'm missing a Shaylee's Christmas stocking. Oh, maybe that's it over there. All right. So, and then I just have a few more ornaments to wrap up and put away the Christmas paper and the Christmas wrapping bin. And then Derek's gonna do this, and we're almost there. station thing I got from Joann's a few years back. So I bought 3 rolls of wrapping paper this Christmas. We used up a whole one, and I still have a lot of this dark one and a little bit of the wreath one. So when I go grab more paper for next year, I'll probably only get 2 rolls. So. And now's a good time to go over what you have, take inventory, and then write like a note, or in your Christmas planner or in a planner, write somewhere what you do need for Christmas next year. All right, all Derek needs to do is pack away this tree and put all these bins down in the basement. Christmas is done. So it is now like, it's late. It's 4 o'clock. It took me all day, but I was talking with friends and caught up with Kat. You guys remember Kat from Fly Lady Kat? Love her. Caught up with her, talked to a few people, you know, mom life. And but now it's done. It's 4 o'clock. And we are gonna get ready to go celebrate New Year's Eve. So it's all done. And then tomorrow we will clean. So join me for that video. Lots of cleaning, dusting, vacuuming. And then it's time to figure out, how am I gonna decorate this house normally? We'll find out. Come join me. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you soon. Bye. Look at that, 2 boxes and a bag full, ready to go donate to the DI. Have you taken down your holiday decorations yet? If you haven't, I hope this motivated you.